Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And you can see that I have a new tool. Let's start today's video. You can see that is a 3D printed wire stripper. And I found this design on Thingiverse. I will put link in description below so you can check it and print it. This kind of useful tool. It turned out pretty cool with that green color. But how will strip the wires? Because the strip wire, the 3D strip wire is not completed. You need to add a cutter blade like this that will go here and will be secured with two metal screws. Let's do that first. Then later I'm gonna try it. Okay. So if you want to 3D printed this gadget, the cost of ABS filament will be around 50 cents. That is 4 meters of filament, and time for printing is 45 minutes. Let's try it. You can see that here are holders for different size of wires. Let's try this one. Yep, working fine. Let's try another one. Working great. It's a nice tool, I like it. I like it. Look, working like a charm. And it's very simple device that you can make at home if you have a 3D printer. To print 45 minutes, to assemble 5 more minutes, and you have a tool, a useful tool. I like it. I hope you liked today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!